Check. What you say, brother?
Walking there, we are walking.
Yeah, man. Alright, so guys, we on Endeavour Road right behind Pricemart, and there are a lot of food joints here, and we actually come to try some empanadas. Right? And the next time we come, we're gonna try the cachapas. Right? Yeah, man.
See how it goes.
See how it goes.
Well, you know.
Yes, man. Lots of food joints. What's the name of that place across there? Panas Burgers.
Salt pork here.
Salt pork.
Salt pork there. That's still caravan there.
Yeah.
Salt pork.
Alright.
And there's food shop in there now too.
Okay, cool, man. We got real nice vibes here. And guys, the place is filled with all different kind of smells. Barbecue, as you can see up in the distance there. Yeah, boy. So this is what Friday night looks like on the Endeavour Road, right behind Pricemart, people. Yes, man. Nice vibes. Yeah, man. Check. There is Billy Tech. Nice vibes. So I'm going back to check. I want to check the order there.
Alright, yeah.
Right?
Cool.
Flip camera. So guys, we wanted to try the cachapas with the chicken or with the beef, but what happened is that we decided let's try the empanadas first and see if we like the taste of the food. It's Venezuelan food, so let me see how it goes. All right. The name of the place that we come into is Andrea's Venezuelan restaurant. So I headed in. So I don't know how sure they're going to respond to the vlogging. So I'll shut off the video here. We'll let you know how it is.